How to change location on Instagram profile. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change location on Instagram profile. To start the process, open your Instagram application in your mobile device. Then go to your profile. Here tap on menu on your top right. Now tap on settings. Then scroll down and tap on preferences. Now scroll down again and tap on switch to professional account. After that, tap on continue. Now select any category from here. Then tap on done. Select any one option from here. After that, tap on next. Now tap on business address. Here tap on city or town. Search your city and town from here. Tap on that city. Here tap on done. From here, you can change your phone number. Then tap on next. Alternatively, one of the best ways to change your location on your phone or computer is to use a good VPN. They are reliable and will make any website, app, or person think you're in a different location. We highly recommend NordVPN. We have left a link in the video description if you would like to check them out. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.